storms are approaching as we head towards Friday. These storms have yet to develop, but they will as we near Friday afternoon. Now, I think they could start as early in the afternoon on Friday. First of all, we'll see warmth and humidity build up. Live shot as we look towards downtown. Pretty good now. Here's what you can expect. All right, when this is going to occur, the broad range of the entire event. Anywhere from Friday at 3 p.m., the first storms will get going, through Saturday at 3 a.m. The good news is it'll be moving fairly quickly. First, discrete, that means isolated cells will pop up between the I-35 and I-45 corridors. Those storms could be the strongest. Those would be the chances of supercells that could produce heavy winds, maybe a tornado, maybe one or two larger, and some large hail. Luckily, that will not be all across the map. Then, secondly, a stronger line then develops and pushes through overnight, but should weaken as it pushes through. Main impact should be damaging winds. That'd be the main impact from this overnight. Winds could be in excess of 60 miles an hour. There could be isolated events up to 75 miles per hour with those winds. Likely there'll be severe thunderstorms and an isolated tornado or two. But again, there is that chance in the early afternoon if a tornado or two gets going, it could actually be a little bit larger. Here's the severe wind risk map. Now, the greatest chance of seeing some severe winds, again, later in the evening, is going to be mainly from central Waller County, east towards Liberty and Chambers counties, and staying north of I-10. Can't rule you out, but again, that's the greater area expected in the darker shaded red. The tornadic potential is going to be greater north of a Columbus towards Brenham line and east towards Jasper and Woodville. Madisonville, you're in this, and northern parts of Harris County are in this. Coming up, we'll show you future track in full. I want to get you started, though. Stray streamer showers and more cloud cover possible tomorrow. Okay, a little bit of rain, lighter rain. And then as we get towards Friday at 3 o'clock, this is where we could see isolated storms develop. And don't take the coloring here to heart. If they do go up Friday afternoon, they could become severe quickly. And then watch the line push through. That is a heavy line of wind and rain and possibly damaging winds in excess of 70 miles per hour. Still a couple days out, but we're going to track the latest for you and have another look at the weather coming up in a few minutes, guys.
All right, Collin, we'll see you then. In other news today, President Trump addressing the nation about the tension between the U.S. and Iran.
Iran fired more